Navigating airport security can be a breeze with a few simple strategies. Travel like a pro. First, have your identification and boarding pass ready before reaching the checkpoint. This prevents fumbling and keeps the line moving smoothly. Pack smart by placing liquids and electronics at the top of your bag. Follow the 3-1-1 rule, 3.4-ounce liquids in 1 quart-sized bag for easy access. Wear easy-to-remove shoes like slip-ons to save time. Avoid complicated laces or zippers. Empty your pockets and remove belts, jackets, and jewelry before the scanner. Consider investing in TSA PreCheck for faster screening. With PreCheck, you can keep your shoes, laptops, and liquids in place, saving time and hassle. With these tips, you can breeze through airport security and start your journey stress-free. Safe travels!